This is, and we put it always, we put the notice in a box. So the format of notice says you have to put it in a box. You have to write the name of the issuing authority. You have to write the name word notice. You need to write the date, the title, then to which group are you targeting, what are you targeting, when, where, and the details. Then the sign, the name of the issuing person and designation. So this all comes under what we call as format, right? And now when we say how do we assess these questions in MCQ? So maybe I'm just now telling you. You may be having a simple question. You may be having a simple question. What is written after the date? And you may be having the option the word notice, day, time, title. These are the four options. These may be the four options which you may be given. Now you have to find out which is, what should we write? We write the title, or even we call it as heading. So this will be the answer. Right? Now the second question may be, you are given a notice. You are already given a notice. If anyone wants to note down, they can note down side by side. This is the question. Matlab, these will be the kind of question that we would be having. That in the above notice, what is missing? Now you have to look at the question. You have to find out what is missing now. So we can see that the date has not been written. The name of the society is written, the word notice is written, the title is written, then the purpose of the notice is written, that due to maintenance the water supply will be disrupted. The name of the person is written, but date is not written. So this is the answer. So this will be the what you call as 1. Right? Yes, anyone who has any query can come up with the questions. Now we can see this is the notice section. These are the MCQs of notice, right? You can see you will be given such questions, and you will be saying your school is going to organize a cultural evening to collect funds for the COVID victims of slum. Draft a notice to be placed. ये तो question हो गया. Now it is written ABC Public School Dwarka, then 15th August notice fund collection. Then a cultural evening is being organized to collect funds for the COVID victims. Students are requested to participate. Now which one of the following is missing in the above notice? So if you see, यहाँ लिखा हुआ है that the cultural evening is going to be conducted, but they haven't written the date, time and venue of the event. So that is what is missing. The second question says, you are Ram, the secretary, and water supply ये मैं already आपको करवा चुकी हूँ. The same question I have done. यहाँ पर आप देखिए, the word notice is not there, right? Then due to dash in the pipeline, so everyone is advised to store. तो यहाँ पर जो है there are 4 things which are not there. यहाँ 4 चीजें हैं जो कि missing है. So they have asked you no water supply, power cut due to repair work. मतलब A में क्या आएगा? This is no water supply, 2 days, repairs and water. So these 4 things are missing here. This can be the second kind of question. All those specific, I'm again and again repeating, all the students who are going to have the MCQs, you have to make it sure, because now this will be the pattern till your 12th standard. This is going to be followed. The third is, you are Akash and you want to change your name. Which of the following will be used? आपको नाम change करना है. तो institutional notice का मतलब होता है when you are in a school or college. Advertisement, general notice या public notice. So you are giving a public notice. The content of the notice में क्या क्या होना चाहिए? अभी मैंने आपको सिखाया था. I had given you what, when, whom, where. तो क्या होना चाहिए? What, when, why? All the above. Right? A notice is a dash means of communication. It's a formal means. We use a formal language. We don't use an informal language, we use a formal language. This is to be informed, the residents are informed, the students are hereby informed. We use such languages. Through notice, one can inform, invite, aware, all the above. At the end of the notice, what we have to write? It is a must to mention name, signature, post. अभी मैंने आपको दिखाया था sign, name and designation of the issuing person. So this is written. So this is आपका जरूरी. Notice can be written for general and specific purposes. Government issues a notice through newspaper. A notice is incomplete without mentioning purpose, detail, name and signature, all the above. You lost your black bag in the school playground. what description would you like to give? Found a black bag, lost a black bag containing books, lost a black and white bag. यहां लिखा ऊपर black bag, तो you have to write black bag. Which one of the following is irrelevant for notice? Date, details of the event, these are all relevant. Name of the concerned person and age of the concerned person. It's very easy. It is of course obvious, age of the concerned person. Yeah, yes Anusha, right. A notice can be given in the column of newspaper in the form of advertisement. Means normally we take it as an advertisement. A notice should be written in, as I said, we write notice in a formal language, and formal language is always third person. कई बार ऐसा होता है, means with 12th standard also I face the problem कि this is to inform you. मतलब कि बच्चे लिखते हैं, that is where it is wrong. This is to inform the students of class 10, the students of class 11. So it is written in the third person and with present tense. We don't use past tense because notice is something relevant to the future. We are notifying something. So it is present and future. It will not be written in the past tense. Which of the following is written on the very top? Name of the institution. Language of the notice must be easy to understand, clear and concise. Must cover all the points. Yes. Which of the following is the correct formation formal? तो हमारा ABC public school, ये जो public है ये आपका छोटा है, ABC public again छोटा है. So when we are writing the name of the school, we either use a sentence case. Now what is the meaning of sentence case? Sentence case का मतलब हो जाता बेटा, अगर आप ABC लिख रहे हो तो पब्लिक का P और स्कूल का S should be capital. That's a grammar. That's what we call as grammar. What we call as the formula, or you can say rule of writing the capital letters. Either you can write the entire one in capitals, or at least ABC public का P बड़ा और school का S बड़ा. But we cannot write it P छोटा S छोटा, which is a very common mistake. Where will you place the content while writing a notice? मतलब जो main notice है, सबसे ऊपर आपका name of the institution. Then second is आपका जो है, you are having the word notice, date, heading या title उसके नीचे, तो after heading. Notice is an informal document? No. While writing a notice, future time references predominate over other tense. मतलब मैंने अभी आपको बताया that we write notice for the something which is going to happen in the future. Something which is going to happen in the future. So it is dominant कि ये होने वाला है, कब होगा, कहाँ होगा, means whatever it is, anything. The notice is not only for the events, anything which is relevant, that is आपका notice. So this is how your questions of MCQs will be assessed while you are writing a notice or letters. Now the same question comes ki how for letters? Chalo notice ka to we have seen that these are the questions. So then what are the contents of letter? Like that day I had given you a letter. This was the letter. This is the format. We write sender's address, we write date, receiver's post, company या school जो भी आप लिख रहे हो, subject. Then we are writing the word what we call as sir, और इस sir को हम या क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as salutation. Then it depends what kind of letters we are writing. Normally when we are writing an editorial letter, sometimes the letters can be too long also. So वहाँ हमारा जो होता है The paragraphs may divide, but normally we divide it into 3 paragraphs. The very first is your introduction, the source of information, why you are writing, that is need. The second is your exactly आपका पूरा description, and the third is conclusion. So you may be asked the same kind of question, that what is placed after subject? Salutation. Where do we put the subscription? ये जो yours sincerely लिखा हुआ है, इसको हम कहते हैं subscription. So where do we put? At the end. Then you may be asked the right format of writing the subscription. That is, आपको 4 दे दिए जाएंगे. You will be given 4. And you will be asked कि इनमें से कौन सा बिल्कुल ठीक है to end up your letter. So we don't write yours affectionately in business letters. So this is wrong. I have been always telling you, even in your 10th standard also, that we don't put this contraction mark. This is wrong. Yours sincerely hota nahi hai. So this is yours sincerely. In a formal letter, normally we use yours sincerely or sometimes yours truly. We don't use yours obediently. Obediently हम schools के लिए लिखते हैं. While you are writing to your principal, you can write yours faithfully, yours sincere, yours obediently, yours sincerely. In the business letters, we write yours sincerely or yours truly sometimes. Then you may be asked regarding the address. Then what kind of words do we write for subject? Like यहाँ लिखा complaint regarding poor service. So you may be asked complain for, against, telling about, क्योंकि आप लोग ये सब कुछ लिखते हो. You write all these things. Telling about problems, convey. The right word होता है complain against. When we are inquiring, it is inquiry regarding या inquiry for. When it is order, तो placing order for. And when it is complain, we say complain against. So this can be assessed as a part of your MCQs. In your writing skills, this time you are having notice writing only as your short writing skills. Then you have business and official letters that I have already done with you, but as I said, if it is in the MCQ forms, then you will be having these kinds of questions. Then grammar, that is gap filling and transformation of sentences.